I know I haven't posted in a long time, but I'm back. So let's get straight into it. Now I'm sectioning off the bottom half and I'm just taking chunks and highlighting halfway up because it's in the back. When you're dyeing hair, I really want you guys to do the crisscross method where you make little X's with your brush and you really work the product into the hair. If you skip that step, your hair will be spotty, blotchy, and uneven. Now I'm on the top half of the hair. I go all the way up since that's what shows. I learned this method off of TikTok where you part off the front section of the frontal and then you bleach that and then you skip that section and then you bleach the following section. That's going to give it that cute highlighted look in the front. Now I'm applying the red. Now make sure that you get every strand. If you do not get every strand, you will still see brown when you wash it out. This is how you do quick and easy highlights the J way. You do not have to go through every track. The end results was so bomb. Y'all need to go follow my Instagram and go look at the results on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be more consistent in posting videos.